जो लोग आगे इधर भी थोड़ा हाथ पीछे कर लो। ये सुनिए थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए। पंखा भी ऐसे लग रहा है बेटे।
उत्तर प्रदेश जो है सपा रूपी और बसपा रूपी बीमारी से इसको इस दिशा में यह जो कदम ऊपर ध्यान रखिएगा।
All right, these are the live visuals of Samajwadi Party's Bukal Nawab actually joining the ranks of the BJP. Deputy Chief Minister of UP also being seen in those visuals. This, in fact, has been seen as the biggest drubbing for the cadres of Samajwadi Party. Remember, Bukal Nawab is not the isolated case. You can see at least 4 more leaders who are all, in fact, in all probability, have joined Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember, Nilanshu, our correspondent, broke this story big few days back. Some of the MLCs of the Samajwadi Party were all set to join BJP, and today it is official, they are part of the BJP. And a bigger setback, Nilanshu, coming to the Samajwadi Party, considering the Bukal Nawab is now part of the BJP. And remember, when he announced his exit from Samajwadi Party, the kind of attack he launched on Samajwadi Party bigwig Mulayam Singh Yadav.
कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत देश, सपा बसपा मुक्त उत्तर प्रदेश की दिशा में ऊपर बचाइए पंखा लग कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत देश, सपा बसपा मुक्त उत्तर प्रदेश की दिशा में आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी परिवार में विधान परिषद के 3 सदस्यों ने जो वर्तमान में थे, उन्होंने विधान परिषद की सदस्यता से त्याग पत्र देकर के सपा बसपा की गलत नीतियों का विरोध करते हुए भारतीय जनता पार्टी परिवार में शामिल होने का काम किया है। मैं भाजपा परिवार में सबका सम्मान के साथ स्वागत करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सबके कारण से भाजपा की ताकत बढ़ेगी और उत्तर प्रदेश को जो सपा बसपा मुक्त बनाने का हमारा अभियान है उसको बल मिलेगा। धन्यवाद।
Right, so it is not only Bukal Nawab, but he's joining the ranks of BJP with 2 more MLCs and MLAs. And we're going to take the story forward. Remember, viewers, Nilanshu, Republic TV's Uttar Pradesh correspondent, broke this story 3 days back, first on Republic, when Bukal Nawab exclusively spoke to Republic TV, talking about his plans of switching the gear from Samajwadi Party to the Bharatiya Janata Party. He told Republic specifically, now it's time's up for him as far as Samajwadi it is considered. And the term he used, Samajwadi Party, ek akhada ban gaya. In fact, let me now quickly go across to Nilanshu. He is with me on the story. Finally, it's official for Bukal Nawab, but remember, Nilanshu, when he spoke with you earlier, multiple times he used the term akhada for Samajwadi Party, which actually has exposed the massive rift between father and son. And where is the Samajwadi Party really, in which direction it is going? Isn't it a very big drubbing for SP cadre?
Well, that's right. It is indeed a very big drubbing for Samajwadi Party and a big setback for Akhilesh Yadav, who is right now the national president of the party. And let me tell you that since last 3 days, what exclusive information we have been getting is that Akhilesh Yadav tried calling Bukal Nawab many times, insisting him not to join BJP. But today, officially, he has joined BJP along with SP MLC Yashwant Singh and BSP MLC Jaivir Singh, who was also the cabinet minister when BSP government was in power. And even in this case, particularly Shivpal Singh Yadav was also contacted by Akhilesh Yadav. Let me tell you that Shivpal Singh Yadav do not have good terms with Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav has not spoken to Shivpal personally since the assembly election debacle. They are not visiting each other's residence. But for this thing, Shivpal Yadav was contacted by Akhilesh.